93.8 miles per hour. That last ball in must have jolted him quite badly.
Well, that came off the turf very quickly indeed, and it came in off the seam. Oh, couldn't go anywhere. By the time he decided that he needed to sway out of line, the ball had hit him.
The run rate hasn't been great, just because Pakistan have no balled so many times in this innings.
Short run up, bouncer. Azhar took his eyes off the ball, but it was a no ball as well. Don't think he expected it to be a short pitch one. Very short run up, this from Shoaib Akhtar.
Well, Azhar was completely foxed there by that short run up, but it was a quick delivery nevertheless. And there you see Azhar taking eyes away from the ball, ducking into the line.
Shoaib on 26. Ball in! Quick one from Shoaib Akhtar. Ball at 91.2 miles per hour. And people are on their feet. Tremendous stuff. Good pace. And so Pakistan have got the all-important break.
Fourth over after the lunch break, and he bowled a 4-over spell initially. He's around the wicket now, as he loves doing to left-handers. Oh, goodness me, that is a nasty one. Wow, that has hit him. That is very, very nice indeed. Shoaib Akhtar's down there very quickly. Mohan Khan is there as well. They're asking for the change room, and that is not great. That is horrible for Gary Kirsten. Goodness me, that was around the wicket, and it was a ferocious delivery. It was very, very quick indeed. And that is sad news, very sad news for Gary Kirsten. Let's hope it's okay, Amir.
Oh, it is, and this is not the first time we have seen that. Gary Kirsten getting into the trouble once the fast bowler decided to come round the wicket and test him with the short pitch deliveries. It's a different angle, and if you see Gary Kirsten's footwork, he shuffles in the crease too much. And that's an okay technique if you're looking to face the fast bowler over the wicket, not round the wicket, and that was nasty. And hopefully, for Gary Kirsten and South Africa's sake, this is not very serious. He recovers quickly from that blow.
Well, I think he's going to be off the park for some time. Lucky it hit the grill onto the face by the looks of things, but thank goodness there was some grill there. Now the boys before us were talking about how he shouldn't be looking to play that shot against Shoaib Akhtar. He is bowling very, very briskly, and that delivery was another quick one.
Oh, some serious bleeding.
Well, at least Amir, he's up and walking. That's the good part of this. That's the good news. His brother Peter copped a nasty one also from Glenn McGrath. They had the whacker a few years ago, so a couple of scars here for the Kirstens, but gee, this doesn't look great, and he is such a key player. Shoaib Akhtar loves bowling around the wicket to left-handers. He loves bowling full or short. There we go, Shoaib Akhtar is just showing Daryl here exactly what happened.
Ken walking up a bit of pace there. That's hit Ganguly. He's in trouble here. He's down on the ground. Now, did that hit him straight on the stomach? On his hand, one doesn't know. Probably even the hip bone. There's no doubt about the fact that he's down and out for the count. That was a quick ball from Shoaib Akhtar.
Yes, Shoaib put in a little bit extra there, bent his back, and it just took off from just short of good length. A real rib roaster that. There's not a lot Ganguly could do. He was looking to play a defensive shot, but was just a little too quick for the left-hander. He's in pain definitely. Walking off slowly, that's a wise thing to do. Maybe go for an x-ray or even ice that area to relieve some pain.
That is a quick delivery. It's hit Lara. No, he got into an awkward awkward position, and he's in pain. This has hit him, I reckon, on the back of the head or somewhere near the eye as he's pointing. But that is nasty. Shoaib Akhtar, the first man to run across to Lara. And not a pretty sight, Michael.
No, not at all. That's not something they like to see on a cricket field. And just from Lara's reaction when he got it, you know that has hurt him.
And you could just see the way Lara reacted. You watch here, the way he reacts after being hit. It's an awkward position. He's missed the bat. It's just under his neck. The way he goes down, he knows he's in pain.
It seemed as if that's hit the neck and possibly just under the jaw there, Ravi. And one would hope that it is more neck than jaw, because there's nothing in the neck to break really, at the front of it at any rate. Any bones would be in the back, and that should not be a problem. If it has hit the jaw, that could create a problem or two, but I would hope not. Seems to be going off the field though. Nothing wrong with that. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. That's a precautionary move by Brian Lara and of course Andrew. Absolutely nothing wrong with that. Don't need any heroes out there.
There's the verdict. Steve Button is the third umpire today. Slow delivery this time with the off-break action. Well, we've seen some better disguise than that over the years. We talked about Abdul Razak's slower ball, but this one not quite so well concealed. Now, what on earth has happened here? Now, I've hardly ever seen Rahul Dravid raise his voice or heard Rahul Dravid raise his voice. Something has triggered that. Well, it's just a collision. Well, that happens in cricket all the time. Well, in comes the referee.